Hello my friends and welcome back. This is the reveal video for the April monthly melt box. So this month we decided to bring in a new product, which is right here, and also to do something very spring. So we went with Flower Shop, which is all exclusive art. This is also available, this right here, the kit itself is available in my shop in deluxe form. So if you want like the whole big deluxe thing to go with it, you can go ahead and head over to the shop and pick that up as well. But in this particular box here, you're going to get a mini kit of it. So let me go through everything that we have here. Let me kind of slide some things out of the way. Well, first we're going to start with, this is the backer card. Isn't it so pretty? The backer card for your stickers. So this month we have Mickey with his flowers. And like I said, this is Flower Shop themed. So we've got Mickey, we've got Pluto with his little basket, got some wax melts. Look at this one. So we did, everybody seemed to really love the ears, like love the ears. So we did them in the colors of the kit this month. Then you've got your wax melter. Look at this. Isn't that the prettiest little teapot with the macaroons? Oh, love that. So pretty. More wax melts. You've got flowers, more flowers. And then you've got Minnie with her daisies. So there is the sticker pack. So you got all that. We slide that off to the side. And then we're going to go through these smaller sheets. So I thought this was perfect. Same color pattern as the rest of it. And this is the spring quote sheet. So since it's April, I thought April showers bring May flowers. I just thought this was perfect to go along with it. It's kind of like a last minute. I think this would look really good. So I added it in. And then we also have the wax trackers, also in the same colors as the kit. Then we have the mini kit. So these are your 8 full boxes in the mini kit. You've got your washi and your date covers, all of your to-dos and today's importance. This is the functional page, doodle boxes, all that kind of stuff, sidebar dividers, and then your extra stuff, your numbers, and your bigger extra boxes. So there is the mini kit. Then here is the journaling kit. This is redesigned journaling kit. Lots and lots of elements on there for you to use in your journals. So there's that. And then we'll get into this guy right here. So this is a mini wax melter. Look at how cute that is. So you put your little wax melt in there. It's not wax melt, duh. Your tea light. You don't want to put your wax melt in here or nothing's going to happen. So you want to put your tea light in here and then it goes in the opening in the back. And as you can see, when you look through it, it's going to light up that pattern through the other side. And then here is the pattern on that side. You put your little wax melt in here, light this guy up. Little disclaimer on this, it's going to be very strong. So when you put your wax melt in there, just put the one. And this month we have the hearts. So you'll just put one little melt in there, light it up. And then when you have enough scent to where you think it's enough, I would blow this out. I wouldn't let it just run constantly or else you're going to be overpowered by the scent. The ones that are smaller, just a little FYI on these types of things, the wax melts that are smaller, the mini ones are so stinking cute. Oh, and PS, you can also use this for oil. So if you have like a carrier oil and you put it in there, a couple of drops of your essential oil, this works perfect for that as well, not just for these. Like these are actually, I think it's more made for the oil than it is for these, but these work fine. I've used every single one of them here. I use them upstairs, so I know how they smell and I know how strong they are in this one versus the larger ones. So the bigger melters, if you're new to melters, are usually about this big. So your flame is way farther away from your melt than it is in this one. So that's why it burns faster and stronger in the smaller ones than it does in the big ones. So if you're going to, like I said, this is in your box this month. Use it however you like, but if you're going to put it in this and leave it burning, I would put it in a very large area, not in like an office or a bedroom, because it'll be a lot. It'll be pretty potent. So then, woo, these are so good this month. So good. I'm not a floral person. I can tell you I'm not. I'm excruciatingly, painfully picky about the scents that go in my boxes, and especially when it comes to florals, because they're not my favorite. They're just not. So when I went through testing these, this is what I came up with, and these are absolutely fabulous. So let me go through them really quick. So we've got English Garden. So English Garden has a bunch of different like floral scents in them, and to me they all smell like the whole thing smells good together, but I am not good at picking out individual scents. So all I can tell you is what's supposed to be in here and just tell you that it smells fantastic. So it's supposed to have rose, jasmine, lilac, and like, I'm sure there's other stuff, green florals, but oh, here's how it looks. I suppose I should show you how it looks this month. Here, let's go this way. So I put some little florals in the top, and it just absolutely smells amazing. I can't stop smelling them. Every time I open these up, I can't stop putting them up to my nose. But so this one is English Garden. It smells amazing. Then next we have, let's do Freesia and Lilac. Oh gosh. So we had lilac bushes when I was growing up, and my lilac bushes in my yard were purple. So I made this one purple, and I did put a little sprinkling on top of some fun little candy thing. But my daughter helped me with this one. So she actually picked all of the little extras. Like this one's got the confetti. This one's got she picked all the like little extra things that go on top of it. So she had really fun. She had a really good time making these. So this one is, I don't know what Freesia is. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it's delicious. And then the lilac. So it's got, you can definitely smell the lilac the strongest, but whatever that under smell is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I believe reading the description for what comes in this fragrance oil. Oh, I can't stop smelling it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm supposed to be showing it off, and I got it. Just stick it at the, it smells so good. Anyway, one of the things it says is sugared peach. I don't know what sugared peach is supposed to smell like, but if that's what it is, it's, oh my gosh, yum. So anyway, stop oogling over this one. Freesia and Lilac, gorgeous. I would say this is a medium. This is a strong medium, and this one's a medium. Cotton and Iris, exactly what it sounds like. It smells like your laundry out on a springtime day, or your favorite dryer sheet. let's just say that. So you've got your sparkles. This is the confetti. It definitely is just amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like my favorite dryer sheets. That's all I can say. It smells just clean cotton with just like a little bit of that floral iris smell underneath. It's absolutely gorgeous. So there's your 3 wax melts, your burner, your little mini burner, your stickers for this month. You got your 2 sheets. You've got your, journaling sheet. I can smell dinner cooking upstairs on top of it. So I've got this down here and dinner behind me. So I'm just like very distracted right now. And then your mini kit. So all of this will be available starting, well, when you see this video, it'll be up. And then also keep an eye out for subscriptions. So this is going to be turning into a subscription service. Just keep an eye out for information on it. It'll be coming soon. I am going to be just launching this by itself. It's not a part of the website. It's its own thing. And it's just because I need to keep these guys separated from each other. So the subscription stuff is all by itself. But if you want to get this every single month delivered to your house without even having to run to grab the stock, because like I said, I don't really have a lot of these, but putting this in a subscription allows me to know how many I need to make. So that way I can make that many, and then I can have extras also on the website as a single purchase. So if you want to do this as a subscription, I will probably have a link to the subscription service on the Etsy site where you'll see this, so that you can just go over there and subscribe if you wanted to. Or if it's not available yet, because I'm still working on it, just check back and it'll be there. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, checking this out. I hope you guys love this. This thing is so stinking cute. It's so stinking cute. I love this. It's so cute. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.